Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wonderchef Regalia Brew coffee maker. There's an image of the coffee maker right on top. It comes with a chrome and black finish. It also comes with a 700 milliliter capacity carafe, anti-drip valve and a 550 watts of power. Do we have any more information? Yes, this comes with borosilicate glass carafe. We'll all take a look at that. An anti-drip system along with filtered water drip coffee tank and keep warm plate. That's all the information on the box. I'll now open this and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what this coffee machine looks like. This is the Wonderchef Regalia Brew coffee maker. This is the carafe in question. This is the coffee jar basically. I'll just tell you something more. Yeah. This is a coffee jar. This is made out of borosilicate material, which is basically heat-proof glass. Not just that, this has a capacity of 700 milliliters. So it's a pretty big coffee jar for you right now. Okay, so let's see what's here as well. There's a power on off button. So the idea is you put the material on top over here. Let's take this out first. There you go. So the idea is that you put everything over here and then connect it to a power source and press this button and coffee will start coming out of it in a while and fill this jar right over here. What else do we have? We have a spoon for pouring coffee into this filter. And this is of course the coffee filter which you will be using for making coffee. There's another element here. This is an anti-drip coffee tank over here as well. Okay. This comes with a very nice, very elegant piano black finish and a chrome element to it as well. And this is the power cable that it comes with. This has a 3-pin jack on one end, there you can see. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Wonderchef Regalia Brew coffee maker. Thank you for watching.